Hello and welcome to another video. Today I want to talk to you about some security vulnerabilities that have been found in RouterOS, unfortunately. As outlined here in the Mikrotik blog on their website, there have been two vulnerabilities found. They have been found by Cisco Thales Research Group in May of this year. And Mikrotik found out that there was a vulnerability in the web service which have been fixed in the software versions 6.37.5 and 6.38.5, and both were released already in March last year. Now the other vulnerability is about the Winbox port. Through that vulnerability, people should have been able to get your system user database file. There's no real way to tell if you're affected. However, recently I found a couple of routers that have been affected, and I'll show you what that looks like. Now this is my demo router, so I've purposely infected it to show you for this demo. I noticed on a couple of routers that the log showed several suspicious entries, like this file mikrotik.php downloaded, and for instance that in the firewall all the drop rules, which are actually the rules that make your firewall secure, and have been disabled. And I found a script and a scheduler that were both installed there to download this mikrotik.php file in order to execute commands on the fly, I presume. Now the fix for these, and actually this router is already updated, so it's no longer vulnerable to this problem. The immediate fix is to remove the script, remove the scheduler. After that, make sure that any open ports in the firewall, in particular the Winbox port and the web port, here listed as 8080 and 8291, that you close these immediately. Any other VPN ports or SSH ports you can leave open. For now, there have been no indications of any vulnerabilities. Of course, only open them if you really need them. Re-enable any drop rules that were deactivated by the hackers or by the hack to make your router secure again. And of course, you want to update your router by going to System, Packages, hit check for updates, check the latest version, at the moment 6.42.6, and click download and install. Now this will take about 30 seconds. As you see, it might take a bit longer, especially if you're connected via Wi-Fi. And after you're logged in again, you can see that the installed version is the same as the latest version. Hit OK. You can close the packages screen again. And as you can see, there's no malicious activity anymore. Last thing to do would be to delete any remaining malicious files that are here. In this case, the update has deleted it for me. Now, of course, most importantly, you want to go ahead and change your passwords by going to System, Users, open up every user account and type in a new password. Type in the same password again, hit OK twice, close the users list. Now, how do you make sure that you don't run into this problem and always run the latest software? We can install an update script by going to System, Scripts, hit Add, name the script Auto Update. So I've pasted this script. If you want to type it over, you can pause this video and then type it over, or you can go to the Mikrotik wiki page and get this update script from there. Once it's pasted, you can hit apply, then OK. Now, in order to run this every day, or if you wish every few days, we open the scheduler, make a new schedule, we name it Auto Update Schedule. We want it to start from today at 4 AM, for instance. And we want to make the interval every day. In the action box here, you type the script name. That's Auto Update. So you can hit apply, OK, and this script will run every day and make sure that your router is updated. So that's it, guys. I hope you can use these tips and tricks to keep your router safe and always make sure that you run the latest software updates. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.